Hi, do you want a heart-centering quick flow in 5 minutes to regulate emotional courage and steady your inner focus? Then stay with me here for a couple minutes. What we're going to be doing is a warrior one with cactus arms. So go ahead and step back onto your mat or wherever you're at. And then warrior one, I'll go to frontwards, then I'll do a side example. So warrior one, you're going to inhale your hands up to the sky, facing your palms to each other. Step forward with your right foot, and then your back foot is not going to be aligned with your front foot, and it's going to step back to a 45-degree angle. And here you're in cactus arms. And then you're going to exhale down, so opening your heart, inhale. Exhale down, opening your heart, inhale. Exhale down, opening your heart to receive that energy, that care, that compassion. One more time. Exhale. We're going to bring our hands up to heart center. We're going to step our right foot between our left foot, and then we're going to step back with our left foot and make sure that might have to move your right knee out because you want your feet still to be hip width apart. Because if you do this, you're not going to be stable. If you do this, you're stable. And then our front leg is going to be into a lunge. And then we're here, and then we already inhaled that, and we're going to exhale cactus arms. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale that energy coming up to the tips of your fingers. Exhale that energy going back down your spine. Inhale the energy up to your fingers through your heart. Look up. Exhale to your spine. One more inhale. And then exhale. And then we're having one more round of this, but I'm going to turn sideways so you guys can see me from a different angle. So we're going to switch back to our opposite side, which is our left side first. So we're going to step forward and then step our back right foot, 45-degree angle. We're going to be in the lunge, and we're going to inhale our hands up to the sky and exhale cactus arms. Pushing our heart out. Inhale the energy. Exhale the negative energy and tension. Inhale, maybe you want to look up to the sky. Exhale to neutral. Inhale. Exhale to neutral. And then from here, we're going to inhale, and we're going to put our feet back together. I'm going to step back so you can see me on the other side. And then our right leg is going to go forward, and our left is going to go back. But remember, we're not centered. We're hips square on here, and we have maybe like 2 fists between our feet, even though they're separated like this. And then warrior one is into a lunge position, and then we're inhaling, and then exhaling through the cactus arms. Inhale, all the way up to the sky. Feel that energy going from your heart through your hands to the sky, to the universe. And then come back down into a cactus arm. Really squeeze that scapula and those shoulder blades together to open that heart up to the sky. In one more inhale. And then an exhale. If you liked this quick little flow to get your heart centered for emotional balance and courage, please follow me, subscribe. Maybe check out one of my online live yoga classes. The link is in my bio. It's been a pleasure, and I hope to see you again. Namaste.